Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for another week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first I want us to remind ourselves of our reading strategies. We can use any of these strategies to help us with our reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures to help you with the words, and your stretchy snake is where you stretch the sounds out in a word and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Family. Illy. You have a go for me? Fantastic, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Family. Illy. Good job. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Tiger's Family. Here's what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Tiger's Family. My family. Dad, Mum, Tiger, Toby, Moggy. Mum has cakes. Mum has no cakes. Tiger. Mum is sad. Dad is mad. Tiger is bad. Later, Mum has more cakes. Tiger is glad. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or you can press the play button on Oxford Owl where they will read it to you. This week's guided reading, we will be doing another word search. To access the word search, you need to click the link that I post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.